welcome to my channel. If you're just tuning in for the very first time, virtual hug, a very warm welcome to you. My name is Nike. Thank you so much for being here today, and to all my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for always showing me love on this channel. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you guys. You know, while Nike was away, a lot of people were sending messages. They were like, Nike, what's going on? People were in my Instagram DMs, like people just sending me messages. And hey guys, I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much. I am back now. As of 2020, you know, the whole vlogmas got to me. That vlogmas, gosh guys, it really drained me. It wasn't easy. It was just like I was in a marathon and I was sprinting really fast. Like, man, I had to pace myself. I had to tell myself, Nike, slow it down, slow it down. Before I lose control, you know. I'm so glad I took the break. A lot of things has happened from the space of the time I took the break to now, but nothing to cry about, nothing to be worried about. Everything has been going great. Yes, there'll be challenges. I'm one who doesn't hold on to like, oh my god, why do I have to be going through this and all that, because the Bible says that we'll have challenges, but we should be of good cheer, right? So hey, God got me. God got Nike. So I just want to know, what do you guys have planned for this year, 2021? I know 2020 was such a dramatic year. I didn't even complain in 2020, trust me guys. No, I never complain. But I'm even more positive for 2021. I know God got us in 2021, guys. So what's your plan for this year? As for me, you know, Nike just wants to stay healthy, you know, be able to take care of my family, my kids, you know, and live a very simple life, you know, be more successful. I have other goals, other plans, other things I'm trying to achieve, and I pray God to help me. You know, I can't share my goals with you guys, but as time unfolds, I'll be sharing, you know, as they happen with you guys. Already one has happened. I'm grateful to God. And I just wanted to know, guys, what do you guys have planned for the year 2021? I already see videos, a lot of people uploading videos of them doing some exercise, feeling fine and all that stuff, all that good stuff. Hey, that's cool guys. I'm super excited. That people are starting the year 2021 on a good note. No positive, no negativity. Bye to negativity, and embrace positivity at all costs. You know what I'm saying, guys? So I don't want this video to be too long. I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm back. I know I'm back in February, which is cool. No big deal. I wish you guys a very happy new year. Yay, we made it to 2021, guys. So you guys should look out for more videos this year. My channel is more of a mom, faith, food and lifestyle vlog, so you guys should look out for more this year. Oh, one more thing, I'm gonna put a link to my personal blog in the description down below. You guys should please visit my blog, you know, support a sister. I want to write more this year, which I've already started doing. That's a challenge I gave to myself. I was like, you know what, Nike, as much as you create videos, try to write more this year. You never know who you might be reaching. You know, you might be reaching out to somebody. So I want to try to write more this year, at least one blog post a week, at least. I am not promising myself, but so help me God, guys. So thank you so much guys for watching. I really do appreciate the love, the concern, everything. I just came on here to thank you guys and let you guys know that I'm back. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.